Guys, welcome to this training. This is all about how to generate more customers for your business. I don't care what business you offer, what products you sell, what services you sell. Guys, you can always generate more customers, and I'm going to show you the exact strategy me and my clients use to generate more customers, more clients, and it's using Google, guys. And this is the thing, guys, you do not need Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, any of those social media platforms, because people are not there to buy your products or buy your services. What you've got to do as a smart marketeer to get more customers and generate more customers for your business is this, guys. So I'm going to take you through this framework here on how we use Google, and I want you to take away some information, some tips, some tricks that now you can use to generate more customers. So guys, everybody uses Google to find products or services, right? So what you need to do is you need to understand who your customer is. This is such a big mistake people make. They just throw an ad up on Google and they just think, why am I not getting any more customers? Why am I not making sales? Why am I not making money online? And it's because you're not understanding, again, underneath the skin of the customer in terms of what they want, what their pains are, what their gains are, and why they want to buy from you. And this is how we do it. So your customer, who has never heard of you, by the way, and that is how you get more customers. So these are cold customers, right? Your customer that's never heard of you will go to Google and they will type in a key phrase. Top tip for you guys, right, is do not just focus on one or two keywords. Think of a keyword that has at least 4 or 5 sentences in, right? And the reason why, the more keywords that people are typing into Google, the higher the intent and the more chance you have of making that sale and generating new customers. And let me give you an example, right? Let's say you offer dog walking services in New York, right? Somebody will go to Google and they will type in dog walking services in New York, yeah? So that's 4 or 5 different phrases. Let's try another one. Let's say you're a real estate agent. Somebody will say, real estate property for sale, California, or local real estate agent near me. Can you see how many words I'm using, guys? Do not just focus on 1 or 2 keywords. That is the wrong way to go about it. It's completely outdated and it doesn't work. So your new customer, your potential new customer, go to Google, they'll type in a keyword that's 4 or 5 sentences long. Then they'll see some ads on Google. Now this is the magic, guys. This is where you are going to beat your competition. This is where you are going to stand out. And this is where you will win the customer more so than any of your competitors. Your competitor will have an ad, there'll be another competitor ad, and here's your ad. Your ad is in 3rd place. Now, by putting your ad in 3rd place, right guys, you are going to save money. You do not need to be in position 1, position 2. Put your ad in position 3, even position 4, and it will be cheaper. But here's why you will get the customer more so than your competitor. It's because in your ad, you will understand and really dig deep, guys, into why your new customer or potential customer wants your service. And it could be a problem they're having. So let's take an example. Let's say you have a over 55-year-old lady that doesn't have much money, doesn't have much income, but wants to buy life insurance, but she thinks that life insurance is expensive. She'll go to Google, she'll type in over 55 life insurance. Again, 4 or 5 different keywords in a sentence, guys, remember that. In your ad, you will say, are you over 55? Question mark. Are you worried that you cannot afford life insurance or it's too expensive? Question mark. She, because you know your customer, that lady is worried that she cannot buy life insurance because it's too expensive. Well, your ad has completely resonated with that person because she is worried she cannot afford life insurance. She's over 55, whereas I guarantee, guys, 'cause I've seen it so many times. I've been doing Google for over 20 years now, so I get this right now. I teach this to our Google coaching clients. Guaranteed, ad 1 and ad 2 on Google will be something like free life insurance quote, free life insurance cost or review or something so generic, right? But that's just the wrong way to go, guys. In your ad will stand out by far than anybody else if you understand the deep reasons why your customer is looking for what they're looking for. Hopefully this has made sense, guys, and by putting your ad 3rd or 4th place, you're going to save money on Google. So you'll get cheaper clicks, you'll get more clicks because your ad resonates, and you'll beat your competition. And that is one of the key strategies that we use on how to generate more customers for your business. We do it, our Google coaching clients that we teach do it. Guys, if you like the video, lots more trainings coming out. Go and subscribe to our channel. In the description, there's some free training going on right now. It's called the Google Secret Backdoor Trading, guys. Go and check it out. So hopefully you've enjoyed it. Hopefully it's made sense. Any comments, questions, let me know. And I'll see you on the next training.